Hi guys, welcome back. So those who are new to this channel, this is Giant. I'm currently doing my undergraduate in computer science department. So in today's topic, I'm going to discuss about the mistakes which every college student will do in a college life. Not every college, so few people will do. So I just want to make awareness video like those are entering to new like those are first year students, those are entering into college we will commit this mistake. So I just want to make awareness and experience video which I was been watching the in my 3 years of life in my college life. Like I observe my friends and my other college mates when I go for events to another college. I've been observed few things, so I'm just sharing with the things which every college student should avoid these things. Like I know, like when you enter into college, you are free, like no one can question you, you are free to do things, but the things which you do, it should be useful too, and it should be a good manner, not like doing some unnecessary stuff and spending like wasting time in unnecessary stuff which is not going to help you in future. So the all things like which I'm going to discuss in the video. Let's start, guys. So the first thing which I observe in my college students, like college life, is they just waste money for unnecessary stuff. Like for example, say a person buys some fashion designs, like he buys some bracelet or earrings. So the another person, like his friend, he just tempt to those things, and he even he buy the same thing which his friend bought. So it's a waste of cost, right? So there is no use of buying the things which are necessary for you. Just buy what is necessary for you. Don't waste your money. Don't just follow the trends. I know that following the trends will make you like feel great and feel like what to say, feel good attraction to the other people. I know it's all, but what's the use in it? It's waste of money. Like if you have extra money, save that money, invest in from stock market and mutual funds, and you can donate that money to some NGOs for good cause, right? Instead of wasting money here, you can donate for some NGOs which is a good cause. It's going to help in future when you do some good cause, good thing, which is going to help in future. So I just want to suggest to every college student, don't waste money on unnecessary thing. Even for gadgets, I seen so many people investing huge amount of money for unnecessary stuff and then in college. I made a video on gadgets. Do check out that video. Like this is the first thing I observed in my college, and then the second thing, like students are internet. So when I say internet is a good for, it has a good and bad. So when it goods, it's fine, no issues when you're using internet for good. The bad side is like you have dark web, like pornography and some sexual abuse videos and some violence. So it's like a dopamine release, right? When you get addicted to this type of content, your dopamine release, and just for within a fraction of seconds you get likes. So after that you feel like get addicted to, you feel like watching it again and again. I've been studied few articles in Quora, and then few articles in Google. Like people are getting addicted to pornography. I know, like when you watch for one time, when you dopamine release, you feel like giving relaxation, so you just feel tempt to watch. So I have a tip for how to avoid this thing. So I read an article of Ayurvedic article where they mentioned that when you feel like watching some unnecessary content, just watch it. Just do a yoga, like yoga in a sense, like just do a breathing exercise for 5 minutes, and close your eyes and do meditation for 5 minutes. So how did it 10 minutes? So do that when you feel like watching the content, like just do this meditation, you feel better. You won't get distracted from anything. Like even few of my friends just wake up early morning. After waking up, as soon as they wake up, they just watch these videos. What's the use? I don't know what's exactly use in this. So like it's like addicted. When you get addicted to these things, you cannot get out from it. I've seen so many people, guys. Just stop while you're beginning. Don't just go into deep. Just stop. You're just started. Just stop as soon as possible. Don't get waste. Instead of spending that time, you can spend that amount of time in some doing some courses, and then you can spend that time. Even if you're not interested in doing courses, you can spend that time with a family. Like just go out with family, or just go out with your friends, or just you can spend that time reading books, or else do what fascinates you, like do your hobbies in that time. I don't know what's like people get addicted to this, especially college students, like especially engineering college students. So there is a data, I guess, in last I guess in the last year there's a data US government published India is stands in number one like watching this pornographic content. So that too Tamil Nadu stands first in like watching pornographic content. Just stop seeing this content. It'll help you way. Just follow it, like do meditation and breathing exercise. It's an incredible amount of energy you'll get when you do these things. Just whenever you feel like watching this content, just do this meditation and yoga. It's going to be helpful. Like just stop watching. Even if when friends suggest you watch it, just say no to them. No issues what he thinks. Like it's good for you, right? Just stop watching unnecessary content. Unnecessary content, guys. And then the third thing which I observed in my college thing, like they get addicted to smoking and alcohol. Like I seen so many people's like, especially first after completing the first year, when they enter in the second year, they will be like getting addicted to alcohol and smoking. Smoking is very very injurious to health. Like smoking, I read few articles of London Imperial College of London. They wrote few articles. They saying that the people who smoke from 18 to 25 years in between the ages, they are getting affected when they reach 40. They are getting from liver cancer, and then heart diseases, lung diseases, brain tumor, etc. Like breathing issues. There are so many things they are facing. I just want like convey you guys, when you enter into college, just stop to do like to do smoking and alcohol. Don't consume alcohol. Even I'm not consuming smoking and alcohol, I'm doing good, right? So what's the matter? I don't know which students, they're just addicted to these things. Like just stop drinking the alcohol and smoking. So when you enter into 40, you should retire and you should enjoy your life. So till 40 you'll be like working hard for your building your career, and you're working for the family. So after 40, I feel like retiring from the job, and after 40 you should spend your own time for yourself, like traveling around the world, like enjoying yourself, like enjoying your family. So when you're smoking at this age, so after reaching 40, you are facing so many diseases now. So when at that time you cannot spend your time with the family, you cannot spend your time in yourself. So too many distractions. So even it's not for good to your family. So when you reach 40, you have families and you have kids. So at the time you're facing this kind of disease because of only smoking. Just for 5 minutes relaxation, you're just wasting your after 40, your kids will be like taking off you. Like it's like a fully headache work, right? Just stop smoking and drinking. That is the third thing I observed in my college things. And then the fourth thing, like students in the college, they waste their time. They won't participate. They feel lazy and they procrastinate work. So join as many as clubs as possible. Clubs in the sense like you have Rotary Club, and then CSI, IEEE, and you have Entrepreneurship Club, and you have Lions Club, you have some NSS, NCS. So you have so many clubs in the college, right? Just join as many clubs as possible. In my case, I'm just interested in some business and startup ideas. So I just join an entrepreneurship club. So even I'm interested in conducting some competitive programming events. So I just join in CSI club. So it depends on person. So you I guess college has so many clubs, like just join as much as possible clubs, just learn from others, just join the club, just learn from your seniors, like just learn, like you will having some webinars in that club, just attend all the events, just learn from stuff. And then the last thing I observed in my college thing, like people just follow the others. Like in case if a person is studying from coding, so the person be also just followed, and he also be like learning coding. So no need of following other fashion. Every person has a own fashion to follow, right? Just follow that fashion. Don't follow others. Be a unique, guys. Don't follow others. So let's take example. Like I'm interested in machine learning, so I'm doing some projects in machine learning. So even I'm interested in teaching, like helping the others. So before starting the YouTube channel, whenever I used to call my friends and help them in any kind of like any kind of service, like any kind of request they want, I just help them a lot. So the reason behind the channel, starting YouTube channel, to help the people, like those who don't know the things. I just started the YouTube channel. So like everyone has their own fashion. Just follow the fashion. Don't waste time, and don't follow others. Just follow your own. You have something unique in yourself. Just identify that and just follow the uniqueness. There is nothing that so like when you enter engineering college, there is no rule that you need to get a software engineering job, you need to get in IT. Nothing. I seen so many people just starting startup in their own interest, and then some people after completing engineering they are so. I have one senior, like he is good at marketing. So unfortunately, like I don't know what's the reason, he just started pursuing engineering after completing engineering. Like he realized after completing engineering, 1 year he worked in some IT industry. So in that 1 year he realized that like he is interested in marketing stuff. So as soon as possible, like he just quit the job and he just applied for MBA in foreign in Australia. So now he's well settled. So it matters. So which field you're interested, just follow that fashion. That at that time only you can build things as you imagine. So when you follow the trend, when you follow people which is not interested to you, it's not going to help you anyway. Just follow your things which are interested to you, just do the things and just follow your fashion. I can say that you can achieve everything as soon as possible. Just follow your fashion. Don't follow people and just don't follow trends. This thing I observed in my college student. They just follow others. Don't follow. Be unique. And then the final thing is like bunking classes. Yeah, even I bunk the classes, like what to say, like bunk the classes like which is not essential for you. Like let's say like if you have six subjects in your semester, just like prioritize the things like this subject is important, just go and attend the class. So in case if you don't interested in the subject, just leave the class and do some work. Bunking the classes, like you need to spend that bunking like the time in from productiveness, not spending time like roaming with friends outside. You need to spend that time with some valuable things. This what I just observed the things. And like in my college there is no, like it's like a like following the whole pattern, like every day we have some classes. So when you are from some, let's take a bits Pilani, like you are from that campus, they have like you need to choose the skirt like schedule you want. So in that case you have a lot of opportunity to choose the schedule as you want. Just choose the wise and you can bunk the classes, not all the classes which are not important to you, you can bunk the classes and remaining you can attend. So even after bunking, you need to spend the time with some productiveness. So these are the things I observed in college students. Like every college student should avoid these things and they need to focus on their work. So like by end of this, I just want to say like be unique, guys. This is a major thing like every college student is facing. Be yourself. Don't follow a trend. Don't follow others. Just be yourself and do the things as you plan. Just don't wait for others. Be individual and be unique, guys. That's all I want to say. I hope this video helps you guys. We'll meet you soon. Bye.